Guess what? You can do Disney on almost any budget. Yes, for real. Stick around and watch for all the tips and tricks that can help your family get to Disney for a great price. Hello, and welcome to the Smart Moms Plan Disney YouTube channel, where we ask the question, why plan alone? I was once an Offsite fan all the way. I mean, how can you beat those Offsite prices, right? Wrong. By the time you add all of the extras and hidden cost in, it is not always the most cost-efficient way to get to Disney. Some of the most common extra costs when staying Offsite are added resort fees, cleaning fees, and the biggest one for me is transportation. When thinking about transportation, you have to pay for a shuttle to the parks, or if you have a car, there are parking fees and tolls, not to mention all that precious time spent on the road going back and forth to the parks. A Smart Moms agent can help you decide if on-site or off-site accommodations are best for your family and your budget. Disney's value resorts are a great way to stay within budget and be in the Disney bubble. You are able to get great on-site benefits like extra park hours, on-site food courts, and free transportation around Disney property. Let us know in the comments if you would like to know how your family can stay in a family suite at a value resort and be on the Skyliner. Historically, prices are cheapest when the dates are first released, and by booking 12 to 18 months in advance, you have lots of time to make payments. It only takes a $200 deposit to reserve your package, and that's for the tickets and the room. And an expert tip: Disney discounts. Smart Moms agents know as soon as they are released and will apply the discount to your already booked package if they qualify to save even more money. Did you know you can bring your own food and drinks into the park? Yup, just no alcohol or loose ice. I have an insulated backpack and use freezer packs. We bring our own water bottles and refill them for free. One of our favorite snacks is popcorn, so we get a refillable popcorn bucket at the beginning of our trip and refill it at a discounted price. And pro tip, some of the buckets are pretty cool and will double as a souvenir. If you purchase food at Disney, the portions are huge and most of the time our family shares dishes. It helps my bank account and prevents unnecessary waste. Buy souvenirs from Amazon or other large retailers for a lower price before going and bring them with you. Surprise your kids when they wake up. Tell us in the comments what is your best money-saving tip to get to Disney, and check out our video on the hidden gems of Magic Kingdom for more ideas on how to make the most out of your trip. Be sure to click like and subscribe so you continue to have all the information you need to have your best vacation. Do you already have a travel agent from our sister company, Smart Moms Travel? Then you are in good hands. If you don't and you have any questions about this video and would like help planning your next vacation, click on the link in the description.